My name is Michael Green. I'm OBGYN and I'm the Chief Medical Officer of Winona. And today's hot topic is, can menopause cause stroke-like symptoms like slurred speech, confusion, difficulty speaking? And the answer is no. If you develop those symptoms, call 911 and go to the ER. You're having a stroke. That is not a symptom of the menopause transition. There are symptoms of menopause transition that are much milder than that. We call that brain fog. Maybe you have a hard time coming up with a word, or you just don't feel as sharp as usual. Maybe you're half a step off. You're having a hard time coming up with names. Those can be a symptom of the menopause transition. And if you have those symptoms, hormone replacement therapy can help and get you that sharpness back, so you'll be at the top of your game again. If you're having stroke-like symptoms, you may be having a stroke, you need to call 911 and go to the ER.